Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to clean the chimney floor and get it prepped for some sound deadening material. Sorry about the poor audio quality. I think our GoPro's dying. It keeps overheating, so I talked to GoPro. Hopefully they're going to send us another one. Not sure. Angel's going to clean out the car, and I'm going to do a little bit of repair and some seam sealer and get prepped for the sound deadening material. Let's get to it.
About to make a mess.
Real quick. Yes. Angel bought me, finally got me an electric ratchet. She'd been talking about it for years. Finally pushed me and we went and got one. So we're gonna be using this to take the engine out of that area, hopefully.
Well, bam. You gotta bam.
Welcome back, guys. The GoPro finally died. I sent it out to GoPro support, and I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. But we ended up getting 9 black for my 8 black for free, and because they did that, I went ahead and bought the 11 black, which seems pretty cool so far. I got the Volta grip, so I got the creators mod. It's got this cool blinding light. You gotta check this out. Oh, that's the lowest setting. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to see for the rest of the day. It's awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's really, really bright. Anyway, today we're gonna finish putting the sound deadening in. And before we do that, we're gonna go for a ride and use this little guy. And he is gonna tell us how loud the chimney is on the highway before we get it all put in. And I know a lot of you guys aren't driving your Samurais and Jimneys on the freeway at 70 miles an hour, but this one does 70 miles an hour pretty easily on the freeway. It's not sketchy. It seems to be okay, at least for now, until we do some more stuff. But we want to see how loud it is on the inside and then see if we can take care of some of that. So I'll take you along with us. All right. You guys can see kind of normal operation around town. All right, you guys can kind of see where we're at. Wide open on the freeway. My speedometer is about 10 miles and off at 60, so we're doing about 70 in a 70. That's about where we get. Well, I'm back, and we ended up maxing exactly at 96 decibels on the little meter. So I bought this Siless sound deadener. And there is so much information on the internet about what everybody's opinion of the best sound deadening material is. You know, a lot of people say Dynamat is the best, and that's originally what I was gonna get, but the price is so high. The second choice, I was gonna try to do Sound Shield. I was gonna try Sound Shield. I watch Car Audio Fabrication YouTube channel quite a bit, and that's what he uses. I was just gonna give it a shot and see what it sounds like, but I don't think you can buy it unless you're a dealer, and I don't really need somebody to roll some sticky stuff in my car, so I'm gonna try this. If this doesn't work out and we got to take it back out, we'll probably go to Noico, and that's probably what I should have bought. Durability wise, I guess this isn't as the most durable, but we're gonna try to put carpet over it, and we're gonna also do the roof and see if we can get I don't know, craft a new headliner or take it somewhere and have a new one made or whatever. This one just had some plastic, I don't even know what to call it, like wannabe plastic, cardboard, corrugated plastic sheets cut into a couple pieces and stuck up in there. So we'll see if we can get that replaced too. But right now we're gonna try to get rid of some of this noise.
up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, guys, we got all the sound deadening in. We are gonna go. It already sounds better in here.
Yeah, it does.
When you would talk, it would be all tinny, like it sounded like you were in a can.
Yeah.
Now it's real, like, quiet. Almost kind of sounds like being inside of a Mercedes. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it is.
So
It sounds weird.
let's go for a drive and we'll see what the old meter says.
Okay.